How to make Spotify white. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. And once you do, you'll be taken to the Explore page over here. As you can see, Spotify is now in dark mode. So, swipe down and open the Control Center on your phone. Then, you need to tap on this icon that you can see here. This option will switch your phone to light mode, making Spotify look white as well. You can try checking all the pages on Spotify and its background, which is now white. Using this feature, you can make your Spotify white or dark mode according to your preference. If you have difficulty using it in light mode, you can always go back to the Control Center and tap on the dark mode icon. Your phone will then switch back to dark mode. This makes your Spotify experience so much more convenient. Following these steps, you can easily make Spotify white.